So a lot of people are interested in hypnosis because they're curious to find out whether it can actually improve their life in some way. Now, I'm no different. At one point, I was skeptical about hypnosis. I thought it was all fake until my life got so bad that I resorted to taking a chance to find out what hypnosis was all about. Now, I want to let you know that I've spent the last 13 years, first as a hypnotherapist, then as a hypnotherapy trainer, and now as a hypnotic business coach. And after working with thousands of clients, seeing how this is used both clinically, professionally, as well as personally, I want to share with you the practical side of hypnosis and self-hypnosis. But before you learn anything, just let me share something that I feel is really important to you. And that is that the latest in neuroscience data regarding learning and habit formation suggests that when we learn something new, we need to keep things easy so we can create progress. And then we need to feel good about the progress that we're making. And then if we can do that 5 or 7 times with high positive emotional intensity, our brain learns to keep doing that thing and install it as a habit. Now, I share this because after learning hypnosis and how your mind really works, you might like to create a rapid self-hypnosis habit or some other positive habit. So for example, doing self-hypnosis for just 2 minutes is better than 0 minutes. And it's actually easier to fit into your life than trying to do self-hypnosis for 30 minutes. And then as long as you give yourself the gift of acknowledging that you're actually making progress and to feel proud about that, for just getting into action, then you'll likely do it again the next day and it'll become a habit. And this also means that I'm going to give you, keep these videos as short as possible and still try and pack them with value, because this was a 60-minute video. You likely wouldn't find the time to get through it. Okay, so let's talk about what is hypnosis. Now, without getting too technical, hypnosis is a state that occurs naturally for almost every single person. Similar to daydreaming, similar to meditation, similar to zoning out when you're driving your car. It's a non-ordinary state of mind that suspends a part of your brain that some people call the critical faculty. And that's where we use logic, analysis, we're skeptical, we're judgmental, and that's the part of our brain that tries to keep us safe, looking out for danger. Now, your critical faculty is a useful aspect of your mind, but having that analytical brain switched on constantly can actually cause you to be stressed easily and not be present in the moment or overthink things that would otherwise, it would be better for you to just be in flow about instead. Now, hypnosis is a state whereby you're actually more receptive to other influences because you choose to be open to it. It's not something that's outside your control. Now, unless you give up believing that you can be in control, in the same way that no one can force you to sleep and no one can force you to meditate, no one can force you into hypnosis, no matter what TV, movies, or stage hypnotists claim. Now, hypnosis is not some magical skill that makes all your problems disappear. It doesn't change your mind, or it doesn't give you power over others. Although that's what we used to think it was historically because we didn't know what was really going on with the brain. But advancements in neuroscience and psychology now show us what truly is going on and what is scientifically and clinically proven as predictable results when we use hypnosis time and time again. So check out the next video where I'm going to share with you how self-hypnosis works in the brain.